Good morning, everyone. This is Donna. I am about to format a little USB jump drive to use on the Janome sewing machines. This is where you would bring any stitches over that you create in the Stitch software. Anyway, this one's a 32 gig one. I'm not sure if it can actually uh, store or retrieve 32 gigs worth of data, but if it can only use like 2 gig or 8 gig, it'll store it in that portion of the drive, the first 2 or 8 gig. It won't store it outside of that, I do not believe. Anyway, let me get this inserted in real quick. As you can see, I've inserted it right here, and now we're going to format it. So you come over into your settings and you advance the page, the common settings one. You go over to page 2 of 4, and where it says format, and there's the little jump drive, you would hit that, and it's going to say format memory. All the stored data will be erased. I looked on my computer before I did this and verified that there's nothing on here, but you have to format it on your machine because it writes a couple of directories on it that it needs, because the other software knows exactly where to write it to, and it will only read the information from those directories. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and format this, and we're going to say okay. It's saying don't remove it and don't turn it off. And I guess this is a little progress bar because it is a 32 gig drive, a little flash drive. It's going to take a bit, and it's over. So it's done. And that's just how easy it is to format your little flash drive so that you can start using your stitch files that you create. That's it for this video. It's short and sweet. So if there's anything else you want to know how to do on this machine, let me know, and we'll see if we can make it happen. Bye.